Ever wish you had a co-founder who never sleeps? Drop a half-baked idea at 11 at night, wake up to a clear plan, a catchy name, and your first 3 steps ready. That is not a dream. That is what modern AI can do for your side project tonight. You have a fuzzy idea. Maybe it is help freelancers raise their rates. Then the blank page stares back. Naming takes forever. Plans feel heavy. Your day is already full, so the idea sits. What if you had a calm partner who turns fog into motion while you sleep? Here is the simple promise. You tell AI your goal and your limits in plain English. It hands you a week-by-week plan. It gives you strong name options with reasons. It drafts your first assets. That means emails, landing page copy, and even images. You still steer, it just speeds up the boring parts. You can even talk it out. OpenAI announced GPT-4o in May 2024. It handles text, images, and voice in real time. You can speak your messy thought. It replies in natural voice. You say what feels off. It revises on the spot. It is like a working session without the meeting. Big memory matters too. Google showed Gemini 1.5 Pro in February 2024 with up to 1 million tokens of context. In normal words, it can hold very long notes in one go. Drop your research, call transcripts and scribbles. Ask for a summary and a plan. It can digest the whole pile and give you a clear next move. This is not hype. An MIT study by Noy and Zhang in 2023 found people finished pro-writing tasks about 40% faster with AI. Blinded graders scored the quality up by 18%. That is real time saved and better drafts, not just fluff. A Boston Consulting Group field test in 2023 saw similar gains. Consultants using GPT-4 did more tasks. They worked about 25% faster. Their creative work scored around 40% higher in quality. These are busy, non-technical pros. AI helped them move cross-functional work forward. We also saw agents break goals into steps. AutoGPT passed 100,000 stars on GitHub by May 2023. Baby AGI showed a tiny loop could turn one sentence into a live task list. Hustle GPT went viral when a designer gave GPT-4 a small budget. In a day, it mapped a site, a logo, and a launch plan. The point is clear. AI can push vague into concrete. Let us try a lifestyle example. The idea is help freelancers raise their rates without awkward client calls. Ask AI for an Amazon-style PR and FAQ. That is a one-page press release and common questions. Amazon has used this method for years. It forces you to say who it is for, why it matters, and what day one looks like. AI can draft that in minutes. The result reads sharp. There is a crisp promise your ideal client can feel. It states who it helps and what changes for them. It shows what people see on day one. It lists top questions and clear answers. It even suggests how you will know it works. You go from fog to one page you can share tonight. Now the name. Naming can eat a week. AI can spin up 50 to 200 ideas in under a minute. It can score each for how easy it is to say and remember. It can flag look-alike names and odd meanings in other languages. It can suggest clean domain options to check. You still pick. It just widens the field fast. Here is one more note on names. Do a real trademark search before you fall in love. Do not skip this. AI can point to risks and show you where to check. You must verify. A quick search now saves you a painful rename later. Next is your first 10 days. Ask AI to write a mini sprint that fits your life. It should use tiny actions. It should include buffers. It should set default next steps so you never stall. You get an hour-by-hour plan that sits around your job and your family. You know what to do when the clock hits your window. Then comes outreach. With a clear buyer profile, AI can draft 10 to 20 tight messages in minutes. Real small founder tests in the last couple of years saw 5 to 10% replies when messages were short and specific. That varies by niche. The point is, you can ship a first wave of notes before bed. Also ask for one tiny validation move. That could be a simple landing page with a sign-up. It could be 10 direct messages to target customers this week. It could be a small pre-order. Do not bet the house. Run a small test and watch for a real signal. There are power moves most people miss. Run a pre-mortem. Ask for the top 10 ways this fails in 90 days and a fix for each. Simulate a roundtable with 5 customer personas. Let them argue. Hear the pushback on your name and offer before the market gives it to you. Use AI as glue for no code. Describe your funnel in plain words. It can outline the exact steps in Zapier. It can write Google Sheets formulas you can paste. It can sketch an Airtable schema. It can even draft a vendor email that asks the right questions. You skip guesswork and move. You can treat AI as a calendar co-founder. Give it your real schedule. Share your hard limits. It will shape a 2-week sprint that fits your life. It can set reminders. It can assign default next actions so progress survives busy days. It keeps momentum alive when life gets loud. Here is a quick composite story from the last year. A fitness coach started with only help busy. Parents get back in shape. In one weekend, AI wrote a 1-page PR and FAQ. It generated 100 names and cut to 5 with clean domains. It drafted a 2-week content plan. It created the first landing copy and a hero image. It laid out a day-by-day checklist to reach the first 10 customers. That is fast clarity and testable action. Now the reality check. You own judgment. Treat outputs as drafts. Verify anything legal, financial, medical, or safety-related. Do proper trademark and domain checks before you commit to a name. Protect privacy. Do not paste sensitive client or company data into public tools. A sharp plan is not proof. Run small tests before you invest. Tool features change fast as well. Context windows and voice features can vary by region and over time. Check current docs. Review the terms for any generated images, logos, or text before commercial use. Draft, then verify. Then act. So tonight, meet your tireless co-founder. Give AI your napkin idea. Ask for a 1-page PR and FAQ, 20 name options with reasons, and a 10-day plan with the first 3 actions you can do before bed. If you can talk, you can plan. Use voice chat and iterate in minutes. Tomorrow morning, send 1 email or publish 1 landing. Momentum beats perfect. If you like clear, practical ways AI can level up your work, subscribe and stick around. There are more simple playbooks on this channel. Want to actually build this yourself? Join the Level Up with AI course. The link is in the description. Drop a like if this helped, and check the next video when you are ready to move. See you soon.